Happy New Year, everyone. 2026. Hanging out with my girlfriend and my mother. Hope you guys are doing well. That's when I filmed the fireworks, you know. Huh? Alright, we're gonna enjoy the day, guys. Good night. See you guys later. Done.
There's something on fire there, it doesn't go off.
Oh ja, ja, dat zijn van die
Oh, gaat niet
dozen die
naartoe.
blijven.
Ik denk dat er mooi vuur op, hoor. I have never seen these neighbors. This much food, you know? Especially those here. Yeah, some, but not this much.
So what do you say? Should we get ready for the sun? Go walk around. Are the bars open today? No.
I don't think
Bars
so.
open in here, so.
Ja,
See
geld verdienen dan.
Wanna go to the bar? Look at your face, you're tempted. Yeah, I'm down to go if you're down to go. I'm awake. You're the one that's sleeping.
Give me your best shot, dude. That was like one little one.
Ja, ze hebben daar nog behoorlijk wat liggen.
Ja.
Zulke fonteintjes kocht ik altijd. Eentje van een pakket. En dan ook een vuurpijl, als hij dan omhoog ging, dan gaf hij 2 van die stipjes, weet je wel. Dan denk je, oké. Allemaal net niet.
Ik denk dat hun klaar zijn daar met waar het boompje staat. Die verlichte boom. Daar is
Ja.
een heel mooi vuurwerk. Dat is helemaal klaar.
Het is wel goed dat er wat wind staat. Dan gaat even die rook een beetje weg.
One more.
Je zit hier eigenlijk goed zo. Met deze plek hier.
Ja, toch?
Wow, die zijn nice. Golden.
Yeah, they're gold. Oh yeah.
Nice.
nice light show. With a little kid there. Just gonna say, well, kid, enjoy. Not gonna be another day like this anymore.
So what do you mean? Next year they cannot even do these?
No, nothing.
Really? So
No.
Die zijn leuk. Die gaan heel langzaam.
so what's the New Year's gonna be like next year? Who's gonna be allowed to do fireworks? Nobody?
Gemeentes.
Only the gemeente.
Like
één grote.
specific spots.
Ja.
Yeah.
Wow.
En dan wordt het
Just
daar
like
veel
in
te
LA.
druk om daar met z'n allen
Ja.
heen te gaan. Dus dat kan niet. Het gaat weer problemen geven, denk ik.
Just like in LA, they have like at Pasadena, you know, like the Rose Bowl.
Is it only in Holland or is it in more places as well?
I think only here. They prohibited. This is the last day that you can have fireworks.
So this is the last time we'll have fireworks in the Netherlands. So I guess that makes for a title for this video, which I didn't plan that really. I mean, I remember that it was the last time this time, but they're gonna outlaw fireworks in Holland. This is the last time that we're gonna be able to see something like this, I guess.
Yeah. That's why there's so much fireworks.
At least in this country.
Zo quick.
2 days in a row already. People had so much fireworks they needed to start like 2 days ago already. Oh yeah, those in the back are nice. They go slow. Yeah,
Ja. Die zijn
yeah,
grappig.
those. Yeah, I've never seen those.
Oh yeah, you have in Mexico. They have those.
Yeah.
Old, yeah, I've seen this before for sure. But I don't know. For Holland, it's probably a good thing that they outlaw this shit.
Well,
People are too crazy with this stuff here in this country.
yeah, but they
Yeah.
found an alternative now. Lately, they set cars on fire.
Ja.
On New Year's.
Yeah. Well,
Why-
it started
why-
a few days ago.
How's that an alternative? Or they
Well,
did that because they're outlawing it? What do you mean?
Yeah, they're pissed off. Because it's not gonna be,
I don't think it's gonna be that fucking easy, dude.
they're not
I
gonna
think
stop it.
next year a shitload of people are still gonna do it.
yeah, me too. A
And
lot
what are
of-
the cops gonna do about it?
Nothing.
If everyone is doing it. If everyone is doing it, there's not much they can do.
Exactly.
Especially if they're buying this shit from Germany and Belgium, countries that still allow it. I think Germany, Belgium still gonna allow
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, but I think there
So-
will going to be
It's gonna be a war on the street, man.
they're gonna be at the borders to be strict that nothing comes in.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Yeah, right, man. They cannot be strict all year, man.
Yeah.
Too many people have fireworks for the entire year here.
I don't think it's gonna work either.
How are they gonna do that, man?
They can't
cannot see
control
me.
it. Like, if it's such a big issue, you couldn't do this 2 days ago. It's illegal, right? 2 days ago. But they were everywhere,
Exactly.
and nobody
That's what
did
I mean.
anything.
I
Because
don't
they
know how-
can't.
I mean, they can outlaw it, but I don't see how it's
they
gonna
can't
work.
control it. No, not gonna happen. People are tired of rules and regulations and stupid.
I don't know if you guys heard that noise before we lost the connection, but that's like a little government message that you get in New Year's, right? Every New Year's.
No, this is the first time. Normally they do it on the first Monday of every month at
So what the hell
12
did it
o'clock.
happen now?
Because it was an NL alert because there are too many people calling to the
Emergency services.
emergency
Yes.
services. Yeah.
You can also come in build now.
Hmm?
They can hear you, but they can't see you. So there's too many people calling the emergency services.
Yeah,
Yeah.
112, like 911 in the States.
Mm-hmm.
So they're calling a lot, but some people have an emergency, but they're overloaded with these calls. So they're asking the people only to call if it's an emergency.
So you fucking start calling just for fun?
No,
No.
maybe, but maybe there's accidents, maybe there's, so much firework.
I'd be like, I have an emergency.
The nosebleed.
My schlong is stuck to my testicle. I was playing with some cola loca, lime, and I can't get this off. Can you guys come help me get my schlong?
You're nuts.
Oh my. Wil je die eraf? Lampje?
Yeah, I don't know. It would be funny.
Zal ik hem erop doen? Lampje?
No, no.
Nee?
What is that?
Een lampje. Then we're gonna get a light in our face. No? Dat valt wel mee. Dat valt wel mee, ja. It just makes it bright, toch?
Nee, we zijn nu heel donker.
Dat valt wel mee. Heel donker?
Beter.
I think your phone is darker than you think it is. You have that dark mode, so
No, it's on bright, I think.
try it. Go ahead. Try it.
De lamp?
No. Try to see if it's on bright or not.
Oh. Is die dan weer gaat eindigen?
Ja,
Oh.
het is-
Die moet niet aan. Nee, daar kan ik dus nu niet bij.
Niet? Hier?
Nee.
Hier?
Nee, dan moet ik hem zo doen, maar hij doet het nu niet. Nee.
Yeah, so that government sound on the phone is like they only get it when the government decides, okay, let's put this out so people all read this.
Ja.
Isn't this gonna backfire maybe? That people are gonna. How many people like me are gonna think, yeah, let's fucking call? If I think that, trust me, there's a lot more motherfuckers that think that. And I'm thinking that just for fun. I mean, I'm just making jokes. I'm not really actually gonna do it because I'm not an asshole. But if I think this, trust me, other people think this because I tend to try and think like other people will think. That's why sometimes I'll say stuff like that. But I don't know. I just don't think it's a smart thing to put that out. In my opinion, if they're already having problems, I think they just make their problems worse by putting that message out. In my opinion, I don't know. I guess we'll find out tomorrow.
Maybe now also some people won't call when they have like only broken finger.
Or they
They
get,
won't
like if they
well.
blow off a pinky, they're like, just a pinky.
Then they just go to the hospital instead of calling.
Oh right.
Yeah,
You
maybe.
think people will actually do that? Some people.
You don't have to call for an ambulance when your pinky is just a little bit
Well, the
screwed up.
problem is there is not enough cops, there's not enough ambulances, there's not enough fireworks, so
Fireworks.
fireworkers,
Fireman.
Firemen.
Oh.
firemen. So
Firework?
There's fireworks. I think there's plenty of fireworks.
there's
in
We
there.
have
plenty
enough.
of fireworks. No, there's not enough services available. When there's an emergency, a real emergency,
Yeah.
yeah, we're kind of like screwed.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Better staying home, yeah, on days
There you
like,
go. Yeah, that's when you're better off staying inside.
yeah.
Like we're not really gonna go out. Well, maybe we'll go out in a minute, but we haven't decided yet. Because like I
I'm
slept
not.
4.5 hours. She's
didn't.
sleepy, so I don't know. But it's tempting for her to maybe go out now.
And I
Yeah.
don't see any emergencies here right now. Because I get the alerts 1 and 2. I see a whole bunch of fires that happened today. Like 31 minutes ago was one. Spoed. En er is een woning in brand. Brandweer. It's a roof of a house on fire.
Oh.
That was half an hour ago. But then before that,
course, what
55
do they
minutes
expect?
ago, another one, another fire. 1 hour ago, another one. 2 hours ago, an animal. Something with an animal.
On fire?
No, I don't know. 3 hours ago, another house.
Maybe.
3 hours ago, another house.
Oh, too bad.
And this is just in this area. So configure. Every hour, like at least every hour, every half an hour, the fire department got a call.
Yeah,
and the
that's
police.
a lot.
And the police. This never happens. And that's only in this area.
Yeah.
There's not too many people here, but it
It's
happens.
dangerous.
What do you mean? Only we got that message, or the whole country?
No, this is only in this area. You can.
The message that we got on the phone is only in this area.
That's nationwide.
That's what I meant.
I think it was everywhere.
So my point was this.
Everywhere.
Like
Everywhere.
if it's already so busy here with emergency calls, then imagine in the whole country, because it's not that populated here compared to other big cities, you know. So here it's already every hour, every half hour, somebody's calling the emergency numbers. Fires, a lot of fires and accidents.
Interesting.
So yeah, I bet it's all over the country. Yeah. Hospitals are busy, full staff. All the cops that are available are working.
Yeah, I
all
guess.
the firefighters too. Yeah.
But hey, double pay.
Yeah, double pay.
Yeah.
Okay, well, it'll be interesting next year to see how this will turn out with them outlawing this shit, because unless they get the National Guard and the army to help them, I don't see how they can stop this
They
shit.
can't. No.
Yeah,
They really can't, especially when everybody wants to do it, everyone likes it, everyone's buying it, everyone's doing it. It's just like, it's a culture thing.
Yeah.
You cannot even fucking change it anymore now.
And they start already like months before, and on the day itself, from 6 o'clock in the evening, you may do the fireworks.
Yeah.
But everywhere they do it already.
2-3 days ago already.
Yeah,
Yeah,
a
and
lot.
nobody's stopping them. So
No.
it's gonna go on tomorrow too. Day after tomorrow. Whatever is left, they're just gonna shoot it off.
Yeah, 'cause starting next year, so starting tomorrow, it's not allowed anymore. Or starting
No.
when? When does it go in effect?
After 3 o'clock this night, it's already not allowed to.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but that's every New Year's Eve.
3 o'clock?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Yeah.
every.
I'm trying to get her to stop talking like the
How do
taste of it, the smell of it from
How
Gulch
does she
member.
say that? Every?
Every
Oh yeah.
instead of every.
Every. It's like a W.
Every sounds like you're saying Jeffrey without the G.
Yeah.
I know.
Without the yay.
But
Jeffrey,
yeah.
every. Every.
It's like you just barely touch your lip. Yeah, every.
They say in America, people be like, who?
Yeah.
Okay, so if
Every?
you say
Who's every?
Every, you say the F.
Every.
F. But if you say every, like
Yeah.
a W, every.
Yeah. Every.
Just think about a W.
Yeah, I correct her English, she corrects my Dutch, but
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know Dutch, don't get me wrong, but there's words here and there that I say wrong, or I'll mix up the order in the way you say shit sometimes and things like that.
Yeah. It's a language thing, baby.
Wil jij oliebol?
Nee,
Niet?
nee.
Nu moet het eigenlijk.
Ja, niet dat
Oliebol
nu.
maken. Ja, tuurlijk. Dat is toch.
Hi, Han.
Okay. I should do that. Interesting.
I don't know, but it's pretty bright.
Yeah, you're not used to that?
No,
Nope.
not me. I'm not used to it.
All you gotta do is not look at the light
Be
directly.
in the spotlight.
All you gotta do is not look at the light directly.
Yeah,
Wat er van mij.
you.
Nice, oliebol.
Hier, weer een auto in de fik.
I would have one, but then I will regret it.
This is something. It's
Een oliebol.
typical Dutch, and around New Year's Eve you can buy those everywhere.
How would you translate
Really
that?
nice.
Oil ball. A ball of oil.
Oily balls.
Oil balls.
Oil balls.
Are you not gonna eat them?
No, I had
Yeah?
one earlier, but no.
You need to eat it on screen. People need to see you. Sit here.
At this time of night, I usually don't eat anything anymore.
You don't want to sit here. Yeah.
Eating like a
Schattig.
pig.
Yeah.
I think if I eat one now, I get nauseous.
You think?
Yeah, because I don't eat after 12.
Mm.
No, I don't really.
only go like
11:30 is like the latest I would eat something, and then until next day, like in the afternoon. I usually fast for like
Oh no!
10 hours.
No.
You can't hide from What happened? What happened?
I wanted to hide and I fell off the couch.
Goed bezig, man. You okay?
Ow.
Did you hurt
Yeah,
yourself?
that was the elevator there. Yeah.
Nice.
Was it sharp?
Leuk voor op de video.
Yeah, you shouldn't try to hide from the camera.
Oh, yeah.
Did I break something or
No,
not?
but it is pointy. It's sharp.
Yeah.
I don't know if you cut yourself.
No, I
That's what
think
I'm
I hit
checking.
this one.
Oh no, that one is okay.
New Year's dangerous, guys. Remember, most accidents happen at
Yeah.
home.
Exactly.
They do.
Yeah,
While
you know that?
eating.
yeah.
Did you know that or not? You never heard that?
Yeah, I know the uitspraak. Yeah.
Oh, you do.
It's kind of like slowing down now.
It is a little bit.
Yeah.
Maybe they bought a little bit less fireworks because they know it's illegal.
No, they bought a whole bunch, everybody. That's why there was so much, and now they're all like, because they've been doing it for 2 days already, 2.5 days. But in 45 minutes, it slowed down now. But they've been going on.
Oh,
They've been going 45 minutes non-stop.
Yeah.
Why does it keep stopping?
I don't know. Maybe the memory of this app is done.
The memory of the app for the gimbal. Or what? Great.
Maar mag ik hem even opnieuw zetten? Doe ik hem anders. Dan gaat hij wel.
Mag, but yeah, I guess at this point, yeah. There you are.
You see, it's slowing down a lot.
Yes, it is.
I thought the guy had more over there in the back.
Yeah, it's slowing down now. It's actually slowing down earlier than normal.
Yeah, it is.
Most of the time, this goes on way longer. It's not even 1 yet.
Yeah,
It goes on like non-stop,
yeah.
like the
till
way it
like
was a
2,
minute ago until like, yeah.
At least till like 2 o'clock, 2 or 3. Oh, there's something else there. But it was noisy a while ago, real noisy. It's so funny.
They started really early today.
Yeah. Yeah, they started really early, 2 days ago. Day and night.
Where you going?
Anderwas zo.
You done? You done eating?
Wel met, ja.
You're not gonna eat more?
Nee, die andere is voor je moeder.
You know the way I have the camera now, you could see you eating the whole time.
Ja, vast wel. Via de ruimte of zo.
Oh, you knew that already.
Tuurlijk.
Oh, they're starting again.
Damn it. How do you know?
He's got another stash.
Yeah.
Oh, knowing me, knowing you, huh?
Yeah.
What? Where? Ja, leuk. I don't know where it is from. That one there, on the same spot, that's been going on for days. Right there, that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's still not done. Somebody's biking by there.
Yeah.
It's not smart to go on a bike right now. Or walking. I wouldn't do it. You always have these idiots that just shoot some shit at us.
What's up, baby? You're not hurting? Huh? From the little fall?
Oh ja, daar wordt wel een blauw plek, ja. Die ging wel hard. Oh, ik heb er gewoon
Ja.
Gewoon
Heb je een bult?
hier. Ja, wacht even. Even kijken. Waar zit hij nou? Ja.
What do you have?
A bump?
A bump?
Bruise.
Bruise.
A bruise?
A bruise or a
Bump.
bump with a bruise.
Bruise is toch een blauwe plek, toch?
Ja.
Ja.
Poor baby.
Blauwe plek.
If I put it like this, I can still see us through the mirror. Or through the reflection. See?
Als je hem te hard draait, hij draait door. Om niet in één keer te stoppen. Dus hem eigenlijk heel subtiel.
Is dat een robot?
draaien.
I think it is.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
I think so too.
It's over, sort of.
Ja.
Yeah. But that one is still going.
Oh, now they're going with the big bangs.
The big bang. You still want to go and drive in the parking lot?
Ja.
Yeah, we had a plan of doing something in the parking lot. Across over here.
Mm-hmm. I see.
You want to come?
Nee, dank je. I don't need to be a witness of that.
Dat is heel fout.
Ik klinkt heel fout.
Yeah.
Fout
No
weer.
witnesses, no loose ends.
But you know, they do surveil a lot there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, they drive by a lot.
Who?
The cops.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what we thought. Maybe we'll drive around there too.
I have my car parked there too.
Oh, you do? Why?
In the parking garage, yeah.
Yeah, why? Because of this.
Because of the -0, I don't know, the scrape ice of my car. And because of the rain, the nasty weather.
Je kan hem ook daar neerzetten.
Ja, maar hij staat nu wel hier. Dat vind ik best.
I do it to
Schoon
keep
is het
my
toch
car
niet?
clean. When it's cold and when it's windy and rainy and snow and all that. And then -0, I don't want to have the extra hassle.
I understand.
And I clean my car inside and I clean the little outside. I have a vacuum in the back.
Did you?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I was tired of seeing the car so dirty.
Good job.
Mm-hmm.
Dirty isn't good, okay?
Yeah,
Nee.
I don't like dirty cars either. Dirty house, dirty car, no. Not my cup of tea. Okay, so let's slow down. It's time for a smoke. Mama's gonna have a smoke.
Are you? Dat moet je niet doen, jongen. Het is ongezond, hè? It's not good. It's not healthy.
Je moet toch een nieuw jaar beginnen met een sigaret? Ik heb nog niet eens een sigaret gehad.
You should be having a New Year's resolution to quit that shit.
Ja, bla bla bla.
The last
No
time
resolution.
she smoked was last year. So.
Je moet stoppen daarmee.
Ja, ik moet niks.
Exactly. Bring a Tito out in you just yet. Hey, so what are we doing? Are we gonna go out or are we gonna kick it here?
I don't know how it is here, but normally when you want to go out on New Year's Eve, you have to get entry tickets up front for.
Oh, no.
For.
Oh, Tito don't let I get no entry tickets here. I'll just get in. You kidding me? Who's gonna stop me? Steenwijk. Think anybody's gonna stop me from going into a bar here? No. No. Not gonna happen. We can go if you want.
If you go out, you're looking for trouble.
She's right.
Oh.
Thank you.
Who's looking for trouble? Me?
No, anybody.
Oh, anybody. Yeah, yeah. If you go out and you run into me, you're looking for trouble.
That too.
So better keep you inside.
No. People better just not start any trouble. That's all. Not
Yeah,
gonna.
but you know when people are drunk and high, how they get, right? I don't have to tell you.
No? Yeah, maybe you do. Tell. How do they get?
I think you know more about that than me.
Yeah, I know. That's where all the that's why bouncing is so much fun, man.
Yeah, but
So
you're
we-
not bouncing.
Well, you can always bounce people's heads off your feet, and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
the heads bounce
You're
off the
just
pavement.
looking for something.
Bounce.
You're just looking
Bounce.
for a
I'm not
reason.
looking for anything. I just want to go out with her and have a drinking a good time. I'm really not looking to get into any shit when I'm with you. You'd be surprised how hard I try to not get into any shit when I'm with her.
Yeah,
I do.
good.
No, I really do. Not because I don't want to, but just because I know it'll be maybe a little traumatizing for her. Yeah, it's one of these things that sounds good on paper, but I don't know in reality how like if I actually kick someone in the head and you watch me knock someone out and their head just goes on the pavement and they're like fucking doing the little shaky dance thing on the ground.
And next thing
Yeah,
you know,
I don't know how you will experience that, you know, because real violence is not as pretty as you see in the movies.
no.
It just isn't. Sometimes it's fucking ugly, you
Yeah.
know?
Yeah,
The
I
cops come
don't
and
think
the
I like it.
ambulance.
You don't think you like it? No?
Nay.
It won't make you wet?
No.
Oh. Like, hey, I've had girls that get some wet.
God.
I have. I swear to God. They're like, got me wet.
Yeah.
Some things get you wet that maybe would shock other people. Some people get wet off stuff like that. I'm not kidding.
He's talking about the rain, guys. Just the rain.
Just the rain, you know?
But I will bring an umbrella, so I will.
She doesn't know what getting wet means. Do you know what getting wet is? Sherm, PCP, Coke, P-Dog, Primo. No? It's a cocktail of drugs.
Now you make this video to a 18 plus or X-rated video because
No.
of the words you said.
Maybe. Sherm, Dust, PCP,
Still
Primo.
recording?
Well, yeah.
Oh. I see.
Oh, it looks like it's really done now outside.
Yeah. Party poopers.
You think? I don't even hear any sirens yet.
No, nothing. I didn't hear.
What are you afraid of, losers? Quitting is for losers.
This weird thing.
Come out, you cowards.
Like every half hour, an hour.
And they're done.
There's a
Amazing.
notification on my phone for emergency, and I haven't heard any sirens.
No.
No. I always hear them on the notification.
Maybe they're just not doing their job today. They're just like, yeah, boys, this is the last year.
Yeah.
Fuck them.
Spoot of the spoot. That's all well.
Yeah. I know exactly what you're thinking. And it starts with an A. AJ. Oh my God. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Let's go back.
Hey, somebody woke up again.
Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome. Somebody woke up again? Oh, you mean the fireworks?
Yeah. It's empty.
Yeah, for now. It is empty. I figured it'll probably turn on by itself at some point.
No.
But no, it won't.
Nee.
It's not
Nu
all
is het
worse.
een gewone camera.
Oh, dat is wat ik heb turning
Deze
off.
moet wel echt uitgezet worden.
Oh,
Ja.
interesting. Very interesting.
Camera afstandsbediening.
You can just turn it off from there?
Look at her.
Zeg maar.
Fancy.
Gadgets.
No, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet.
A high-tech gadget.
Not yet. We need to say something before we turn it off. So just end the video like that.
See in the next video.
Ja, hier, je wil hem zeggen.
Yeah, but we should maybe try to do it with the watch. That could be
ik dat laat zien zo.
Yeah. I didn't even know you could do that.
Smart
Come on.
things.
Alright guys, we're gonna bounce. I didn't know she could do this. So the next video she's gonna end it with her watch. And catch you later.